I'm trying to create a bit of a winter scenery on the wooden disc here. So what I've done is cut a small styrofoam ball in two, and I have glued it to the surface. And I had these little green plastic thingies that came from the base of faux flowers, like at the base here. So I'm just using them on top of the styrofoam balls to just add a little greenery. Also, I have drilled 3 holes into the disc because I will be putting these dowels in soon. But before I put the dowels in, what I'll be doing is wrapping the dowels with some twine, some burlap twine. Just gonna use my glue gun to glue the twine to the dowel. Wow, I like that. Okay, so what's a Christmas tree without a star? I am going to put glue on these sticks, and that is where our trees are going. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Wow! It's finished. Now check this out, guys. What do you think? This is the front. This is one side. This is another side. And I'll bring it closer so you can see the landscape there. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, and yeah, commenting. Please let me know what you think in the comment sections below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Don't miss out on any cool ideas plus lessons, design lessons, calculations for your flooring finishes, wall finishes, window treatments. There's a lot there for you to benefit from, guys. So go ahead and hit the subscription button, and remember to hit that notification bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.